Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Finnish company YIT wins €30 million contract to build Leopard 2A8 tank assembly and maintenance plant in Lithuania. Finnish construction group YIT has secured a contract worth about €30 million to build a Leopard 2A8 tank production and maintenance facility in Lithuania. The plant will be developed for UAB Lithuania Defense Services in the Corners Free Economic Zone. The project will create infrastructure for Leopard 2A8 assembly and maintenance in Lithuania. YIT said the contract will be recorded in its third quarter order book. Construction is scheduled to begin in August 2026. Completion is planned for November 2027. YIT Leopard will handle both design and construction work. The project will be delivered under a design-build model. This project is significant not only for our company, but for Lithuania as a whole. It will contribute to strengthening the country's defense infrastructure and will play an important role in ensuring the technical readiness of the Lithuanian armed forces in the future, said Kęstutis Vanagers, managing director of YIT Leopard. We are pleased to be able to contribute to this process with our experience and engineering expertise. The design-build model is particularly important for projects of this kind, as it enables close coordination between design and construction processes and efficient decision-making throughout the entire project, Vanagers said. The new facility will be built on a site covering almost 10 hectares. The complex will include a main production building and supporting structures. YIT said the plant is being designed to meet A++ energy efficiency requirements. Building information modeling tools will be used throughout the project. The digital tools will support planning, coordination and management of the construction process. YIT said they are intended to improve control over a complex industrial project. The facility will support Lithuania's future Leopard 2A8 technical readiness. It will also provide local infrastructure for assembly and maintenance of the tanks. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.